Hei alle sammen, hello everyone. Today we will talk about 5 funny idioms in Norwegian. Idioms may be a fun and practical way to improve language knowledge and usage. Idioms are phrases or idioms with a meaning other than the literal translation of the words used. In Norwegian, numerous idioms are humorous and may help you learn the language. Here are 5 funny idioms that are also popular in daily life in Norway. Å hoppe etter Wirkola. Å hoppe etter Wirkola. Å hoppe etter Wirkola. To jump after Wirkola. This expression refers to Bjørn Wirkola. Bjørn Wirkola, a former Norwegian ski jumper who won multiple championships in the 1960s and 1970s. It means attempting something challenging, like trying to jump after him. It is often used to describe situations where success is almost impossible. Å sitte på gjerdet. Å sitte på gjerdet. Å sitte på gjerdet. To sit on the fence. This term suggests being uncertain and delaying before acting. Å sitte med skjegget i postkassen. Å sitte med skjegget i postkassen. Å sitte med skjegget i postkassen. To sit with the beard in the mailbox. This phrase refers to being trapped in a difficult or embarrassing situation you cannot easily escape. In translate as to be caught with your pants down in English, the thought of your beard being stuck in the mailbox evokes shame and discomfort. Å ha bein i nesa. Å ha bein i nesa. Å ha bein i nesa. To have bone in the nose. This phrase is used to characterize someone as tough, forceful, and self-assured. It alludes to bones in one's nose, implying strength and determination. Å slå på stortromma. Å slå på stortromma. Å slå på stortromma. To hit the big drum. This expression refers to making a huge deal out of anything, such as playing the large drum. It is frequently used to describe circumstances in which someone makes a big deal out of something or draws a lot of attention to themselves. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.